Hello, my name is Deanna Murray and I am the Director of Marketing and Strategy at Build Automate in Washington, D.C. Today I'm going to talk to you about some of the best layout ideas for Company Letterhead. Thanks to the world of Photoshop, do-it-yourself design tools, and overnight print shops, businesses are spending less and less time on truly making sure their company letterhead has all of the necessary elements to make it professional and effective. The idea that companies even need letterhead in today's digital world is somewhat antiquated, but there is an argument to be made for needing to put pen to paper every now and then and send something out through regular mail. The elements every standard letterhead design should include are logo, name if needed outside of the logo, company tagline, address, phone number, and contact email, and possibly a touch of the brand's color. How this letterhead is designed is purely subjective based on the logo shape, but some tried and true suggestions are never use more than 2 fonts in your letterhead. Remember, fonts as a whole are considered a design element, and too many can look cluttered and downright ugly. Make sure your logo is of a size that it is discernible and recognizable. Your logo is your mark. If nothing else is noticed on your entire letterhead, your logo should be. It is your focal point. Make sure all contact information is accurate, error-free, and legible. Keep colors to a minimum. Some companies choose to have letterhead printed only in black and white, so shades of a few colors might work, but keep aesthetics in the back of your mind. If your letterhead is looking cluttery, use the footer area as well to maybe throw the tagline or an email address into. For printed letterhead, spring for some good paper stock. Don't just go with the white printer paper. A thicker paper with a little texture is always a nice touch and will get you noticed. Also, once your letterhead is approved and is off to the printer, ask the designer for a PDF file you can utilize for downloadable items you might want to put on company letterhead. If they won't do that, have them print you a proof on plain white photo stock and you can scan it in and make one yourself. This is always a nice thing to have because your letterhead can double as your press release template, your marketing one-sheet templates, and more. I sure hope this information helps. Leave a comment or a question. I'd love to hear from you. And if you get a chance, check out my weekly blog on buildautomate.com. This is Deanna Murray saying see ya, and we'll talk again soon.